Hello everyone, once again, and in this video session, we will discuss RMDIR API, that is removing directories from IFS. So, this video basically aims to describe the method to remove the directories from the IFS using the RPGLE program. So we will be using this API in our RPG program to delete or remove any directory. So there we will showing you two possibilities, either a success or an error. So let me show you the code which I have written for this demonstration. So this was the earlier code mkdir, that is for creating the directories that I already have uploaded on my channel, so you can watch uh, that from my channel. And now this time I'll be doing the demo for rmdir. So let me show you this program. So I'm doing nothing, uh, simply using this API, that is rmdir, that's the C API, and passing this uh, path to this API, because this API has only one parameter, that is an input parameter, and the other one is a return one. That you can see, that's the return from this API. So where we can either pass a string or a pointer to that string, and it will return me a integer value. So that value is either 0 or less than 0. If it's less than 0, then it's error. If it's 0, then the directories or the directory has been removed successfully. Now you can see I have used some other APIs as well, which is for error handling purpose only. So these two APIs are for error handling in case I'm not able to, or the program is not able to remove the directory. We will log the error, or we will display the error to the user. So this is the error number API. So this API will give me the error number in case any error encountered. And since we know we cannot actually tell the user that what error it is just by saying this error number occurs, because user does not know what's the exact error message behind that error number. So we will be using the another API str error, which will accept this error number pointer, and as you can see, which is in integer form, and it will return me the error message pointer, this one. So here you can see these are two standalone variables which are declared here, which is first one is the return for this API rmdir, and the second one is the path. So path is 512a. You can keep any length depend upon your need. Then you can see I'm declaring some pointers and here, and the based strings or the integers, because I need to get the array number or the array pointer, as you can see for this API. So I'm declaring the array number which is based upon this pointer, and the error message which is based upon this pointer. So this will be used as a return for this API, and this one for this API. After this there's nothing. You can see the only thing which I did, let me remove this, as it is in comment, so that won't cause any issue. So let me show you what I am doing. The first case is successful, where I am populating the directory path which I am going to create on the IFS. So what actually required here is, the prerequisite here is that the previous directories, that is slash home slash easy class, must exist before creating this directory. Or what I can uh, uh, do here. So this is for the create mkdir, but in this case for removing the directory, this also applies. So these must exist, otherwise you go in error that will say that such path does not exist. So in case if this path exists, I will pass the path to this API rmdir. As you can see, I'm trimming this, and it will return me the return integer, which will tell me that whether it is failed or pass. If it is less than 0, we'll call the IFS number API to return the error number pointer, and we'll pass the error number to the str error, and it will return me the error message pointer, and will display the error message and return from here. Otherwise, the directory is removed successfully. The directory name is dir1. This is hard coded message. You can customize it upon based upon your need and make it dynamic. The another situation here is I am passing this slash home slash easy class. So let me show you. If I do slash home slash easy class exist, but this does not exist. So if I do this one, it exists, and you can see the directory is also present there. So in this case, when we call it again, the rmdir API, by passing this path, it will return me less than 0, and it will log the error. So let me compile this. Just set this none. Just debug this. Set the breakpoint at line number 1, and then call this API program. Default activation group is star no, because we are using the prototype call. So the first thing is this path, and once we call this API, it will return me the number, and it is not less than 0, which means the path created path removed successfully, that is the dir1. As you can see, dir1 is removed from here, and it will display this message, directory removed dir1. And again, now I'm passing this path, which is incorrect and does not exist, so it will return me -1. You can see, so if it's -1 less than 0, it will go to error, so it will call the error number API. So it will return me the error pointer. You can see the error number, which is based upon this pointer, that is 3025. So once I call this error message pointer, then this error message is based upon this pointer, so we will see what message we got. No such path or directory, so it will display that as well and return from the program. So this way we saw that how we will be removing or deleting the API, the directories from the IFS. Let me call it again so that you. So first thing I need to do is to call the mkdir, which will create this directory. So directory created, and I'm trying to create some wrong path directory on the wrong path, so it says no such path or directory. So if we'll see, that dir1 is created successfully. Now let's call the rmdir. Just call this directory removed successfully, no such path or directory. So both the cases are executed successfully, and you can see the dir1 is not available now. So this way you learn how we can remove the directories from IFS in IBM AS400. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.